Hello, here are two of our designs today from class, New York School of Floral Design. This Dutch Flemish cherry blossoms, Gerber daisies. Supposed to look like a bit of a hot mess, a garden left to ramble, based on Dutch Flemish paintings. Wait till those orange lilies open up, those roses open up more, in a pretty little container. Looks like an old painting, a masterpiece from an old painting. That is what we are doing today. We're also doing today a more traditional, I call it Napa Valley design. Elongated centerpiece, more cherry blossoms, hydrangeas, white roses coming out the top for your wedding out at the Mondavi Wine Company. Following patterns. This one is length, width, four corners, and nicely spaced accents, which is everything from the hydrangea to the berries, to the magnolia, to the cedar, and the roses. Isn't that pretty? Classic design. This one is based on a Dutch Flemish work. So, one more look, and you tell me which one are you having at your daughter's wedding? More of this look or more of that look? Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.